Hello and welcome, my creative souls. As the holiday season approaches, let's pause for a moment, take a deep breath, and feel the magic of Xmas slowly entering our homes. Today, we will explore crochet and felt ornaments, crafts, felt decoration, and ways to fill your home with mindful, healthy, handmade joy. We will crochet, sew, decorate, and breathe, turning every moment into a peaceful celebrations of creativity. So, grab your yarn, felt sheets, scissors, hot glue gun, and maybe a cup of hot cocoa. Let's create together a Xmas that feels calm, cozy, and beautifully handmade. Now let's move to soft, colorful felt crafts ideas and beneficial. Simple, safe, and so much fun for both adults and kids. Start with felt Xmas ornaments. Cut shapes like stars, a snowman, gingerbread, cookies, and reindeer. Stitch around the edges using blanket. Stitch and stuff them lightly with cotton or fabric scraps. Add tiny beads for more eyes, buttons for decoration, or ribbons for hanging. Create felt craft, felt wreath, cut a ring from cardboard, wrap it with green felt, and decorate with felt berries, bows, and bells. It's a budget friendly yet beautiful way to welcome guests. You can also make felt garlands, snowflakes, hearts, or Xmas trees strung together with twine. And for your dinner table, make felt napkin holders shaped like stars or candy cans. It's such a small detail, but it adds warmth and elegance to every meal. Felt crafts are also perfect for children. They teach patience, focus, and teamwork. Working on these handmade decorations together become a movement of family, mindfulness, laughter, creativity, and love, all stitched into one memory. Xmas often feel busy and overwhelming, but this year let's keep it simple and kind. While you decorate your home, practice mindfulness, light a candle, play soft instrumental music, and take your time arranging each handmade piece. Notice the colors, texture, and scents. The softness of yarn, the coziness of felt, the aroma of pine cone or cinnamon. Choose eco-friendly decoration materials. Use natural twine instead of plastic ribbon. Decorate with dried oranges, cinnamon sticks, and pine leaves. Reuse old fabric scraps to create new ornaments. A healthy Xmas also means taking care of your body and mind. Take short breaks while crafting. Stretch your hands and shoulders. Drink warm water or herbal tea between projects. Eat light, fresh meals. Balance the festive treats with fruits and soups. And most importantly, rest. Your home doesn't need to look perfect, it needs to feel peaceful. The joy of handmade crafts remind us the beauty of is born from love, not perfection. Now let's add a few more creation ideas for cozy holiday. Add some felt craft ideas like wrapped glass jars or old candles containers. When you light a candle, the texture creates a soft glowing pattern perfect for a calm winter evening. As your home fills with soft layers, handmade wreath, and cozy textures, take a quiet moment. Look around, everything around you. The stars, the felt hearts, the pine cones, is it a reflection of your love and effort for you did for your home? This is what Xmax is truly about, creating, sharing, and being present. Not rushing, not completing, not competing, but cherishing every smile, every handmade touch, and every heartbeat that brings warmth to your family. So, this holiday season, create it with calmness, decorate with your mindfulness, live with simplicity. Breathe deeply, feel grateful, and let your heart go brighter than any Xmax light. May your home be filled with laughter, warmth, and peaceful. And may your handmade crafts remind you beauty begins from the heart. Happy festival, my friends. Happy holiday. Keep creating, keep shining, and keep living beautifully. Thank you, be a part of this journey. Have a very nice and very beautiful, glorious day. Have a good day to you. Wishing you a very happy and beautiful festival ahead. Felt is cozy, colorful, and easy to work with. It brings a handmade charm that no store-bought decoration can replace. So let's dive into the beautiful world of X-Mix felt crafts. Hope you enjoyed this video. Felt crafts, beautiful, budget-friendly, and made with mindfulness. Thank you. Be a part of this journey.